Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cool grungy textured typography effect, fully editable in Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, you're going to write your text. I have my text layers over here and I just group them together. Next, we're going to use some of the textures from my latest texture pack. That is free, by the way, so you'll find the link in the description down below to download these so you can use them. Anyways, we're gonna clip this first texture onto our text just by holding the Alt or Option and click in between the two layers. We can adjust the size of it, something like this. We're then going to add another texture, Command I to invert it. That's gonna give us this nice little background texture. So let's place it underneath our text. Now on top of everything, we're gonna place another texture and we're gonna place one of my transparent ones. Just drag and drop it onto there on top of everything. And here we have our basic structure, let's say. We're then going to double click on our text group and this layer style window will pop up. We're going to add some drop shadows to this. Now don't worry if it looks too blurry and you can't really see what's going on. We're gonna fix that later. Now I like doing this using this method instead of just adding Gaussian blurs because this way I don't have to convert anything into a smart object. I still have my text fully editable in there with all my little adjustment layers and textures I can fix up. You can also add multiple drop shadows, one on top of the other, just if you want to increase the sizing and adjust the opacity to your liking. You can add 2 or 3. I'll go with something like this, so 3 drop shadows total. Now what we're gonna do is go to the Adjustments tab and add a Levels adjustment. We're gonna click on this little arrow to clip it to our text and texture below. And here you can see these little spikes. Now we want to adjust and go for the highlights wherever the first spike on the right is. And for the other one, we're gonna go to this second spike and we're gonna move the midtones all the way to the first spike as well. And you can now see this nice color popping. Just adjust it till you're happy with how it is looking. Now, if you feel like it is too much for some parts of your text, all you have to do is grab your brush tool. Let's grab a soft brush and let's reduce the flow to about 20%. And you can just remove that levels adjustment from parts of your text. You can also add a layer mask to your text group if you feel like there's too much blur or that effect you don't like. Just remove it from part of the text. And now you can basically add even more textures on top of this or leave it as is if you like it. If you want to add more textures, just drag and drop them in there and then change the blending mode to like lighten or screen works well. You can also add the 2 new adjustment layers that Photoshop released, which are the clarity and dehaze. You can adjust that and then add a grain. I usually like to go with about like 20 or 20 to 30 for the amount, and I like to go small in size. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe or comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!